Is your Chevy Colorado failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connectivity bugs are actually resolved by simple software or cable resets. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by checking your cable, toggling off Bluetooth to force a wired connection, and ensuring your iPhone is fully updated. On the truck side, clearing the infotainment cache and removing the phone from the paired list often clears persistent errors. Also inspect your USB port for bent pins or debris, as these physical failures mimic software issues perfectly. Try the basic resets at home first, but if the issue persists, the dealer may need to perform a firmware flash. As you can see, the vast majority of these problems stem from a faulty cable connection rather than a broken head unit. For a hard reset, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes to force the infotainment system to cycle. Keep a certified cable, compressed air for cleaning, and a 10mm wrench in your kit for these basic repairs. Remember to always prioritize safety and never work on electrical components while the ignition is on. If these steps fixed your CarPlay, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more Colorado troubleshooting tips.